Hello guys, so these are my Beats Studio tools, and as you can see I'm going to be replacing these today. These are worn out. These are about at least 3 or 4 years old. So I've ordered these from Amazon, so I'll be replacing these with this. So the process for this is fairly simple. Since I've already put these many times, I even have the Studio 3s like this, and I even replaced these a few years back. I'm gonna be replacing them with the floral one soon. So yep, that's the thing. So let me show you how to remove these. So you can just use a screwdriver with a blunt edge. I just found this, so I'm gonna be doing it with this. Yeah, so it came out pretty easily. Yep. So one side is off. The OEM one is a little bit more difficult to remove because the seal is really nice in that. These ones, they will come out easily. Yep. Okay, so even this one's out. Time to throw them. Okay, a lot of mess, but just clean all of the small particles that you see here and there. Yeah, so this looks neat. So all you have to do is just see which one has the port. This is for the port, so this goes on the left side like this, and then this one goes here. You just have to align the holes, and that's how they're gonna look. So let me start off with this side, with the one with the port side. Trying to get that ingress. So once you find the holes, they'll fairly easily they'll just slip into the location, and just press them. Hold the driver, not this side, this one, and press all the way. Mind you, they're very old ones, and I only use these with my PlayStation connected to the controller. So yep, one side is done. It's an old one, so it's gonna have some battle scars like this. Let's do it with the other one. So these are the holes you have to match it with. So you can put them before like this and see which side is which. So I think it's like this. Yeah. So put it like this. These lines come on the downside. Done. Now I will keep pressing them all around like this. So these are the cheap ones that I got from Amazon. These are not the what do you call, there's another famous brand, I forgot the name, but it's not those. These are like maybe like $15. Those are like $25. So cheap Chinese ones, they work pretty nice. They come for around 1.5 years for me. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I continue to just keep using these and replace them every few years. Okay, so they're looking very red on the camera, but they're not really like that. Let me try to show it to you in another light. slightly better. Anyways, let me clean out of this and then show it to you.